So today I'm actually comparing bamboo fabric and also RPET. See how they perform in the microwave. So the rules is we're going to use the microwave to set to medium. This is medium for 5 minutes for each. Let's see how they look after. So we're going to start with RPET. So let's press. So check again. Medium, 5 minutes. Let's just wait. So 3, 2, 1. It's a bit hot. Check the color. I should take a photos of, just like a before after. Absolutely nothing. So let's see next how this one performs. The same rules. I'm gonna set to medium. Medium. For 5 minutes. Let's start. Listen to that if you guys can hear that. I'm not actually cooking popcorn. It's the microwave makes the surface become crunchy and it starts burning. If you're here, I wish you can hear. If you're here, you really can smell the heavily disgusting smell. And it's only less than 2 minutes time. Alright. There we go. I don't think I need to explain anything. Sorry guys, it's a bit hot at the moment. So this is a bamboo fabric after 5 minutes of microwave. It starts to become like a fish scale. And if you're here again, you can smell these heavily smells, chemical smells. And whereas RPET is basically nothing. This is just the dirt from the microwave. Horrifying. So do not put this in the microwave. Use RPET.